Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can sign up in your Just Eat app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply scroll through your homepage and tap open your Just Eat app. So once you open your Just Eat app, all you need to do is press on the Get Started button and accept all cookies. Now simply share your location and you will end up in this kind of interface. So now you can also enter your location where you have to type in the initials of your location and you will get several options of the locations as well. Simply tap in your location and once you do this, end up in this page where you have to tap on the login button. Press on the create an account option and type in the ask credentials. After you do so, click on create account and this is how you can create account on Just Eat app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.